Alright, so here we are. I've got the hat knitted up to the height that I was wanting. I think it's about 7 inches. Yep. 7 inches. This is going on a 19-month-old. So that's about the right height. I did do color changes. So once all the color changes were done and I had the hat knitted up as high as I wanted to get it, or as long as I wanted to get it, I cut the yarn 1.5 times. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put your thread in this needle. And then we're going to cast off. Let's find the beginning again. There it is. Not this peg, but this peg, the one to the right of it. We're going to go under the loop. That loop is tight. It's kind of caught in that groove. There's what feels like. There we go. It's around my camera, around my tripod. Okay. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to go up in the loop. Once I get it through a few loops, then I'm going to start pulling the loops off. I just want to get a good start. I don't think that it's the loops are tight. I think just my needle is getting hung up in that groove. There we go. And make sure you got all of both loops. Don't want to tear it or leave one behind. So just take your time doing this. So then to cast off, just start at the first one with your hook. We didn't do that one. The peg to the right. Peg to the right. Oops, wrong side. There we go. I get paranoid that I'm pulling the wrong one off. I have very weak hands too. So it's not as hard as it appears. I just have weak hands. Now pick it off. And I'm going to continue doing this until the last one. Once I get around to the end, I'll be back. Okay, once you get the yarn all the way through around the hat loom and all the loops are cast off, look around your hat. Since I had a lot of color changes, I tucked my ends and then I knotted them up. Right here's where the color changes happened. Doesn't look too bad. So what we're going to do now is the yarn that you use to go through all the loops, we're just going to pull. And this is going to be the top of the hat. As you're pulling, just go ahead and shape the hat because it's going to want to curl out. There we go. Take your yarn with the needle. See, there's a big hole, and I just now put it through to the inside of the hat. We're just going to pull real gentle. Trying to do this where you can see it. And since I'm going to put a pom-pom on this, that'll be the next video, I'm going to leave a little bit of a hole so I'll be able to string the pom-pom through there. So since there's going to be a pom-pom, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to turn the hat inside out. I'm just going to go through these loops. And we're going to make a couple of knots to hold it together. But again, we're not going to do it so tight, then I can't get the pom-pom string. So I'm going to leave just a little bit. There we go. I got a lot of yarn here. Come over here. Put a knot in here. Pull it tight. Now I'm going to do like a little slip knot. Kind of fasten everything down. Okay, pull that tight. We still have a little bit of space there where we can get a pom-pom through, pom-pom yarn. I think I'm going to put one more knot right here, just for good measure. And then we'll turn it in the back to the right side and see how it looks. I don't want anything to come undone. There. Now without cutting the hat, that would be bad. Cut the string. Now, let's see what we have here. Now, isn't that cute? That is so cute. And it's going to be even cuter with a pom-pom on it. So watch for the video. The pom-pom for this lovely hat. This matches the sweater that I made in the previous video. I already gave the sweater to the girl that it was made for, so now she's just waiting on the hat. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to watch for the video of me making the pom-pom for it. Y'all have a good day. Bye.